Day of my bird, Novey. So I'm gonna give. I got from fresh water and ready. It's gonna be Novey's bath day today. Yep. Are you ready, Novey? I'm gonna give her a shower. I hope she's gonna like it today. I hope she's gonna like it today. Sometimes she's moody. Sometimes she like a bath day. So I put some towels on the floor because it's sometimes gonna be messy. Here she is. Hi, Novey. Hi, Novey. It's shower day. Okay. Just a little bit spray to make it she gonna like it. Little bit spray. Sometimes you need to follow her. Yep. See, now she's starting to like it. Don't spray on the face. Sometimes it's gonna like she's gonna drown. So a little bit spray. Spray a little bit. Yeah. You like it, the water? Yeah. Yeah. That's the way we do. It's my day off, that's why give a shower. It's Friday. In twice a week I give a Novey shower, like Wednesday and Friday. Yeah, give some a little bit shower, little bit spray. Yay! Shower time! You see, I didn't spray too much. Spray a little bit. That's the way she'll like it. Spray a little bit. Yeah, that's Novey. One more. One more. On the chest. That's the chest one. Woohoo! That's it. That's it. That's it, Novey. Ah. Feel fresh. One more? Huh? Wet bird. Ah, that's the one. Oh. Spray a little bit. Spray a little bit. Okay now? Yellow bird? Okay now? Oh, a little bit more. Okay, yung belly. Woohoo! It's done. Huh? It's done. No more. That's it. That's it. After shower, I'm gonna clean her cage. Okay. She's happy wet bird now. She's a happy wet bird. Thank you very much watching me. Okay. I'm a wet bird. My name is Novey. Took a shower this morning. Thank you very much watching me.